What would you do if all GPS, internet, and power just stopped working without warning? No signal, no maps, no way to call for help. Sounds like a scene from a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it almost became our reality. On May 14th, 2025, Earth was smacked by the most powerful solar storm of the year, shaking our tech-dependent world to its core. It all started with a massive sunspot, AR 4087, looming many times bigger than Earth itself. Out of nowhere, it blasted an X2.7-class solar flare, one of the most intense energy surges the sun can throw at us. Within minutes, radio blackouts rippled around the world. Air traffic controllers lost contact with pilots. Cargo ships in open water reported navigation glitches. Even emergency teams struggled to coordinate. This wasn't science fiction. This was real-time chaos. But it didn't stop there. About 24 hours later, the sun hurled a coronal mass ejection, basically a huge blob of plasma and magnetic energy, straight at Earth's magnetic field. The result? A G4-class geomagnetic storm. On a scale from G1 to G5, G4 is severe. Just one notch below the worst possible. Electrical grids in several countries scrambled as voltage dropped and alarms triggered. Airlines rerouted flights over the poles to dodge radiation spikes. GPS signals went haywire. And then, the skies lit up. From California to Germany, China to Australia, people saw the aurora explode in greens, reds, and purples, way outside the usual polar zones. Beautiful, but also a chilling reminder. The sun can flip our world upside down anytime. Scientists compared this to the Carrington event of 1859, when telegraph lines literally caught fire. If something that strong hit us now, we could lose power, communications, and the internet for weeks or even months. And the craziest part? This wasn't the worst-case scenario. We're only at the peak of solar cycle 25, which could last until 2030. Bigger storms are still possible. So, are we truly ready for a solar disaster, or are we just hoping we get lucky? Let me know in the comments. Should the world start preparing now, or are we just rolling the dice?